what a beautiful day outside. Wait, where's that coming from? I gotta get out here! Meow!
Man, I'm bored.
Zip garbage, you gotta help me!
What do you want, Scratch Cat?
I just heard this weird noise and I don't know where it came from.
Now that you mentioned it, you're right. I do hear too. Now I'm ruminating. Where's that sound even coming from anyway?
I don't know, but maybe Gobo knows. Who knows? Maybe Pelly knows. Or even Fabu. Let's just find out. Hello, Fabu.
So, there's this weird noise that Scratch Cat keeps hearing. So, we're just wondering where it's coming from. Drop season! It's over there! Oh, thank you, Fabu. Now finally know where the sound is coming from. Well, this is it. The bush.
How'd you know about this bush?
As you can see, this bush was owned by a raft pirate. So if anyone were to go near that bush, they would die instantly. And we're not going there, so you do it.
Okay,
Okay, I don't have time for this.
Wait, why do you have an AK-47?
There, now the weird noise gone. Wait a minute, didn't we already took that weird noise down? It was from the bush. Why are we hearing it again? Oh, that's coming from a nuclear H-bomb that's gonna hit us at this instant. Wait, how can there